Well, hello. This is gonna be a super quick one. I'm just sometimes I'm going back to my QA roots. Sometimes I'm going back to the forge, the digital forge sort of type thing, or just because the digital space keeps presenting me with some bugs, inconsistencies, defects, and such. So this is just a quick look at one of such bugs, which has been here for quite some time. I remember seeing it like in the past, like a couple of years back, and looks like it is still there. So let's take a look at this. Here I am editing, and posting, scheduling, doing my thing with the shorts. Just with the content. Specifically, in this case, these are like the shorts videos, and here I am on the description path, like on the description, on the details step. But what I need to do next is kind of go and search for a related video, because this is like taken out of context of that like long video sort of. And here I click on this, on the add button, and here we got, this search your videos input field. Basically, what I expect is when I focus on it, click on it, just focusing on it, is that I would be able to type the things straight away, right? And it would suggest me with the vids I've got that kind of match the search query, right? Or at least like partial. So when I do that, you can see it just focused in and it focused out. So if I would to type anything, it would do nothing. It would do nothing. So man, it's just a little thing, right? Here and there, but it kind of pisses you off as a QA. It pisses me off a little bit as a QA, because I got a shit ton of those vids to edit and I got a shit ton of those vids to upload. For some reason, I gotta keep that in mind, that you gotta like focus on this field like the second time, and then you'll see the cursor out there, which would mean that it is focused in. So this is something, that we QAs, or like in development, we call this state as like the state of this element is like focused. So, and then I can type the like my video and select it. Of course, it would be added here, and then I can proceed with my with my editing, and basically like editing and publishing. So yeah, small bugs in our everyday life, other things that keep us going as quality assurance specialists. Well, I guess that's it for now. Thank you, folks. See you next time. Peace out.